In today's video, I'm going to teach you Jira Dashboards in Confluence. Embedding your Jira Dashboards directly into Confluence pages is a simple and effective way to keep stakeholders informed with live, up-to-date data, instead of sending separate links or screenshots that can quickly become outdated. You can place the dashboard right where your team is already collaborating. This makes it much easier for everyone to stay aligned on progress, priorities, and performance. To get started, head over to Jira and open the dashboard you want to share. Before you copy anything, take a moment to make sure the dashboard is actually showing the most relevant data for your team's goals. This is important because whatever is displayed there is what people will see when it appears in Confluence. So, if needed, quickly review the gadgets, filters, or layout to confirm that the dashboard reflects the metrics you want others to track. Once the dashboard looks right, go to the top right corner and click the chain link icon, which is the share option. This will copy the direct dashboard URL to your clipboard. That link is what Confluence will use to recognize and embed the dashboard correctly. So make sure you are copying the actual dashboard link and not just a browser tab from somewhere else. Next, switch over to Confluence and open the page where you want these metrics to appear. Click anywhere in the body of the page, then paste the URL you just copied. In most cases, Confluence will automatically recognize the link and give you a few display options to choose from. The first option is Inline Link. This is the most basic view, and it displays the dashboard as a standard clickable text link. It works well if you want to keep the page clean and minimal. The second option is Card Link. This gives a little more context by showing details like the creator, the last updated time, and a small thumbnail. This is useful when you want the link to stand out a bit more without taking up too much space. The third option is Embedded Link. This is usually the best choice if you want people to interact with the dashboard directly from Confluence. It displays the full live dashboard inside a scrollable window on the page, making the data visible without requiring anyone to leave Confluence. Choose the view that best fits the page layout and the way your audience will use the information. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.